Welcome back to the channel, fellow scale modeling adventurers! Today we are taking a deep dive into the prop paradise of Mosonshow 2025, where 1/48 scale propeller-driven aircraft was spinning heads and dropping jaws. From P-38 Lightnings to Zeros, Thunderbolts, Spitfires, and even some truly rare birds like Zlín Čmelák and Henschel 177. This video is packed with aviation history in miniature, details to the rivet. I've handpicked a spectacular lineup of builds. But that's not all. You'll also see my own Curtiss H-75 finished in mirror chrome, glinting under the show lights like a disco ball with a propeller. This shiny bird caught the eye of Team 21, a legendary modeling crew loved across Spain, Italy and beyond. And I was honored to receive a special prize from them, in particular from Antino Sozzolini. Thank you so much for this honor. In this video I'll not only tell you about the prize and the story behind it, I will also reveal one of my secrets for achieving that perfect chrome finish. Spoiler, it's shinier than your future. So buckle up, hit that like button and prepare for some prop-powered perfection. Let's roll! And hey, while you're watching, let me know in the comments which model is your favorite. Sometimes when I look on the models, I wonder how was it built or painted. As example, I was so impressed how accurate is modeling painting on this Messerschmitt 109. And look at this pole defiant, I can't believe it's from Airfix. Zdanek did so impressive job on riveting. That is a great example that rivet counting can pay out not only in reward but also impressing others, which in my humble opinion is even more valuable. So, how's this pro-powered parade treating you so far? Pretty good, right? Don't go anywhere, some serious eye candy is still coming your way. And now, directly from Italy, I've got not one, not two, but three beautifully built birds by Rodolfo Moganesi. Hope I nailed the pronunciation, if not Rodolfo, I owe you an espresso. What really caught my eye is his approach to painting. It's got personality. Check out that subtle color fading, the newest chipping. You can tell this isn't just weathering, it's storytelling. And he's applied this signature style across all three of his models. That's consistency with flair. Is it 100 realistic weathering? Who knows, but it definitely looks fantastic. Also, fun fact, that Giorgio's P38 Lightning, it's an Academy kit, not the fancy Tamiya one. Still, I'd say it's worth a shiny gold medal any day. Huge respect, Rodolfo, your models truly shine. Now buckle up, because we've still got more stunning props stacking in. And now it's time to return to my disco ball. What do you want first? The war story or the chrome secret? Alright, let's start with the shiny stuff, the chrome trick. And the big secret is... drumroll please? A perfect mirror gloss black base. That's right, the more reflection you get at the stage, the more chrome magic you'll see in the end. So before you even think about chrome, make sure your surface is flawless. I use Tamiya sanding sponges 600 to 1000 grit to gently clean up after primer. Then I give it a bubble bath. Water, an old toothbrush, a drop of dish soap, rinse well and dry with paper towels and a hair dryer. Yes, really. Now comes the gloss black paint. 1-2 wet coats, no more. Your goal? Get that smooth, shiny film formed by the magical powers of capillarity action. I used Almo's A10 series for both the gloss black and the chrome, plus one extra secret ingredient, which I will reveal you in a dedicated chrome tutorial. The A10 gloss black is animal based, so it cures slowly. But that slow drying helps the paint to level out. If you're lucky, or rather experienced, it will lay down like a black mirror. But let's be honest, that's rare. More often you get orange peel or little gremlins of imperfection. And that's where polishing saves the day. I go back to my trusty Tamiya sponges and use different polishing compounds. Yes, it's extra work, but if you want a real chrome finish, it's worth every second. And like I said, stay tuned and you'll see the full step-by-step tutorial in the future video. Don't miss it. Now about that mystery prize. When I got that sleek black error card, I was happy, but also like, wait, who gave me this? Fast forward to later that evening. I'm having dinner with my friends before heading to Vienna. Weather is great, we are sitting outside, soaking up the post-show vibes. And then I step inside the restaurant and bump into my old buddy Jose. 2 years ago he was showing off the new Amo A10 paint range, including, yep, chrome paint. Of course, I bought some like a true paint goblin. At home I tested them on spoons, as you do, and I was blown away by the results. So there I was, showing Jose and his friends my Curtis H75 photo, geeking out over the gloss black bases. When suddenly Fabio looks over and says, "Wait, isn't that the model we just awarded?" He called Anzino Sazzolini, who was sitting just behind, and boom! We are doing an improvised celebration right there in the restaurant. Totally unexpected, totally heartwarming, and honestly a perfect Moson memory to take home. Thank you Team 21, you guys are legends. In the end, this hobby isn't just about plastic and paint, it's about people, passion and those golden little moments of shared joy.
Tutto siamo un bel gruppo di amici, quindi saluti a tutti. Saluto. Eravamo un gruppo di amici. Buona suerte. Siamo un bel gruppo di amici. Eravamo un bel gruppo di amici. Sì, no, stai pure lì che cavolo siamo.
And the prize is laser cut plate, which I can order for any picture. Yes, even one of me holding a coffee mug like it's an Oscar. This will make a great little cherry on top for one of my next model bases. Stylish and sharp, just like my Mr. Polisher sanding tool. I'll drop the Facebook contact in the description below, in case you want your own slice of laser cut glory. And now a final bonus for those heroic viewers still watching, the top picks from the hobby nomination. There were fewer showstoppers in that category this year, but I handpicked the finest, so it's a solid middle ground between let's make a whole new video and let's just enjoy them right here. At the same time, our video is coming to the end, my friends. A turbocharged tour through some of the finest propeller-driven aviation in 1:48 scale from Mosonshow 2025. All precision built, weathered to perfection and powered by pure modeling passion. Big thanks to all incredible modelers who brought these machines to life, and special shout out to Team 21 for the honor of their prize. Your support means a lot, and your reputation is clearly as shiny as my chrome Curtis Hawk. Now it's your turn. Which model was your favorite? Or I wonder which model would you want to build next or is currently on your workbench? And in regards to chrome painting, I promise to reveal full details on that in the dedicated video when this one hits 500 likes. Until then, feel free to share your own chrome painting tricks. Drop your thoughts, tips or even dead jokes in the comments below. And if you enjoy this journey, smash that like button, subscribe for more modeling madness, and don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss what's next. Till then, keep your paint smooth, your decals aligned and your chrome shiny side up. See you soon!